Um, I just wanted to talk a little bit today about the NeuroLex. And the NeuroLex, seen here, is an incredibly rich semantic source of neuroscience information. What that means is with a very few, arguably easy lines of code, one can get a lot of interesting information in several ways. In order to get the data out, of course, we have to know how to get the data in. So in the next 2 minutes, I'm going to just point out some of the ways that anyone can actually do this. When you come to the NeuroLex, so here's the NeuroLex, one of the things that we encourage a user to do is to create a user account. So right here, there's a login, create account. So I'm just going to log in with my account, but creating an account is as easy as choosing a username and then verifying that you are not a robot. So here I'm just going to log in, and now there's my name. And actually, what that means is that down here, whenever I enter something, some change, it's logged under my user, and then I can easily go back and see, for example, my contributions and things like that. So I've changed some things on the main page, and I've changed something on the tissue bank page and other things. Okay, so now going back to the main page, what I wanted to point out is that there are a few different things that we can actually create here. We can search for a term, and then we can create some of these different kinds of pages. So here is a create a new cell, create a new brain region, create a new resource, or create a generic page. So depending on what kind of thing you have, you will be creating probably one of these pages. And the difference between all of these is that if you want to create a new cell, you will actually get a different form. So when you just hit my favorite cell, you type it in and you can start. So here's a definition, synonym, related to. These are all fairly standard, but the cell form has some cell-specific kinds of things. Like here, there are soma properties, which is the cell soma shape, cell soma size. And so you can choose from a smaller list of some of these things, whereas the generic form is going to have just basically the top level information. The brain regions are going to have some more brain region specific information, etc. So if you want to create a new kind of cell, or if you want to create a new kind of brain region, I would highly recommend that you use one of those forms.